Hi everyone, welcome back to my corner. In today's video, I'm going to open the cat Ladybugs for the month of May. So I'm just gonna open this right away with you and we are going to look what's inside. So this is what it looks inside. I haven't seen it yet. First of all, like always, the little card. This artist this month is Gabi Toma, is a Romanian illustrator and graphic designer. So this is really cute. She has a little cat here. So on this you have all the prices, so I'm gonna look at that a little bit later. So first thing I see is a little toy for the cats. It's a tulip, and I guess there's catnip inside. It feels like it. Let's just go check. It says perfect rose catnip toy, exclusive by Cat Ladybugs. It's $6. It's super cute. It's like a tulip, like a flower. So I'm guessing that for the month of May, the theme is I guess it's Mother's Day, so it's gonna be all things mother theme. Alice is making a lot of noise. She's in the box right now. And Nico is looking at me. Wait, don't steal it, don't steal it. Let me see it first. Let me see it first. Okay, so the second thing I see is this here. So this is super cute. It's a little dinosaur. It says "Rawr, some fun." Catnip toy. What does it say? Stop. It says Dinopore catnip toy, exclusive by Cat Ladybugs. It's $6. It's super cute. It's very how do you say, stiff. So it's gonna be really fun for the cats, I think. So this is like a fluff toy full of catnip, so I can't wait to give it to them. Hey, don't do that! Come on. Okay, so she's eating the t-shirt, so I'm just gonna look at it. Okay, so let's look at the t-shirt. It says Cat Mom. So it's really pretty. It's like a mauve, grayish mauve. It's really pretty. There's like pink and gray fiber in the t-shirt, so it makes a really pretty color. I really love it. Okay, so the t-shirt is okay, so it's the Swell Cat Mom tee. It's an exclusive by Cat Lady. It's $23. It's super cute. I always love their t-shirts. Was this one a V collar or? Okay, no, it's a round collar, but it looks kind of, it's gonna be tight on the neck, but it seems okay. Alice is guarding. You're guarding the box? Can I open it? Can I open this? Okay, I'm just gonna, okay, there's something here. So I actually closed the box because she was eating the t-shirt, so I didn't want her to destroy it before I even got the chance to wear it. So the next thing I have is this little bag here. It feels like a either earrings or a bracelet. Oh. I don't know what this is. It's like a bracelet. So it's just like a simple ring. There's nothing engraved in it or anything. Is it a bracelet? I'm gonna check. Cat cuff bracelet exclusive by Cat Lady Box. At first glance, you might think this is a plain silver bracelet, but take a closer look and you'll see it's actually cats. What? Are they messing with me? Oh, okay. I don't know if you can see. Wait. It's in the shape of a cat. Oh my god, this is funny. Perfectly simple and beautiful, understated. Our adjustable cat cuff bracelet is our new go-to everyday accessory. It's nickel free. It's $25. I'm gonna check if it fits. It says adjustable. I'm scared I'm gonna be stuck. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. This is really funny. This is really cute. It's like they say, it's very understated, very simple. And there's little cats. My god, you would have to really like check to know that there's cats there. My cats are making me laugh so much right now. They are like chilling. So I'm gonna get I think there's one item left if I'm not wrong. So I'm just gonna fight with Alice to get it. Can I get the last item, please? Come on. Okay, thank you. So the last thing I have is this. Okay. Yeah, you can have the box. I don't care. You can have the box. There you go. She's really excited. She loves when I do these unboxings. Okay, so I have this. I don't know if you can really see. There's like a cat thing. It's very like white on white. So I'm just gonna open it. Oh, it says kitty cat vase. Oh, this is super cute. Stop making noise. Look at that. This is really nice. Wow. What does it say? Where's the card? It says flat cat vase exclusive by Cat Lady Box. It's $30. Beautifully simple with the perfect amount of cute. The back has a tail. Our exclusive flat cat vase is an amazing add to your cat LED decor. Whether you fill it with flowers or display it alone, it's sure to make you smile every time you pass by. Yes, this is really nice. This is, I think it's ceramic. So I really think that you can actually put flowers inside with water. or or you could just put fake flowers or something like that. Yeah, so this is super cute. I'm super happy. Now let's give the toys to the cats. There you go. This is the one that she stole earlier. Baby. You're so crazy. You're so crazy. Nico. Oh. Oh. So again, I'm super happy with everything that was in the box. There's always like one item that I'm super excited, and this time it's the vase. I think it's super cute. I love flowers. I love gardening. I love, I love plants and everything. So I'm super happy. The toys are always a hit with the cats. They love the toys always. And Alice is going crazy with the little dinosaur. And Nico is destroying the the tulip. Everything seems super nice. I'm super happy again. Like I said in my last video, I did renew for 3 months, so I'm gonna get the June and July box also. I can't wait. And this is it for this video this month. I really hope you like this video. I really hope you like the box. So if you are interested in buying this box, let me know. You can go check my January 2021 unboxing of the Cat Lady box. I explain everything, the prices, how it works, everything. But if you want me to make like a reminder of everything next month, let me know in the comments, and it's going to be my pleasure to do that for you. On this, I'm going to wish you a happy day or a happy evening. I hope you stay safe, have a great summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.